In 2012, the Alameda County Waste Management Authority passed the Mandatory Composting and Recycling Ordinance. The law requires most businesses, institutions, and multifamily properties to have recycling and organics collection service and sort materials properly. Setting up your indoor bins correctly is a key to success. In most places, you'll want separate containers for recycling, organics, and garbage. We call this a recycling station. This video will show you how to set up indoor bins in 3 simple steps. Free resources are listed at the end. Let's get started. Walk your entire site to determine where waste is generated. You'll want to check all workstations, for example, kitchens, customer areas, and offices. Don't forget break rooms and bathrooms. For each of these locations, write down how many bins you have and how many you'll need. As a general rule of thumb, you'll want to pair any existing single trash cans with recycling and organics bins, creating recycling stations. Now it's time to gather everything you need to set up your stations. Remember, not everything we throw away is actually garbage, so each station should have 3 bins. Be sure to keep them together, or at least equally easy to reach and within sight of each other. Review the bins you noted as needed during your walkthrough and determine what sizes and types of bins will work best for each recycling station. If possible, color code your bins. For example, blue for recycling, green for organics, and black or gray for garbage bins. Many janitorial supply companies offer indoor bins. Start by checking with your existing supplier to see if they offer the new bins you need. If you're using bags to line your bins, don't forget to purchase new sizes to fit. Before you purchase bags, be sure to check if your city has restrictions on the types of liners accepted in your area. Next, let's gather signs and stickers to show people which items go where. For bins placed against a wall, you'll want to have a sign right at eye level above each bin. You can download and print pre-made signs, or even better, use the free online sign maker tool and create your own signs to match what's actually being thrown away. Alameda County businesses can order stickers for free and have them mailed directly to your site. Label bins with stickers, even if they're color-coded. Using your notes from your walkthrough in Step 1, place bins together to create your recycling stations. Remember, each station should have 3 color-coded and labeled bins with signs at eye level. Some locations may require different configurations, but you can get creative. Office stations, for example, generate mostly paper, so small side caddies for garbage and organics can capture the few items that aren't recyclable. Break rooms and staff kitchens may have limited space. Place slim bins against a wall or try a small garbage bin now that almost everything goes in the green or blue bin. For areas with customer traffic, you may want higher-end options available from specialty vendors. Some stations, like this one, can double as self-serve areas where customers can leave their trays or dishes. In bathrooms, since paper towels are compostable, simply place a paper towels only sticker to repurpose existing garbage containers and place a small bin to the side for everything else. And that's all you need to know to set up your indoor bins. Remember, 1 for recycling, 1 for organic materials like food scraps and paper towels, and 1 for garbage. This website link has all the information you need, including free resources and more details about Alameda County's compost and recycling rules.